Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where we make your creative journey smoother and more fun. Today, we're diving into some quick and easy workflow optimization tips for all you Canva users out there. Whether you're a newbie or a pro, these tips will help you save time and boost your productivity. Let's get started. Organize your Canva projects. First up, let's talk about keeping your projects organized. It's super easy to lose track of your designs, especially if you're working on multiple projects. Create folders in Canva to organize your designs by category, like social media, presentations, or personal projects. This way, you can find what you need without wasting time scrolling through your entire design library. Use Canva templates to your advantage. Next, don't reinvent the wheel. Canva has thousands of templates for every type of design. Using templates is a huge time saver because you don't have to start from scratch. Find a template that fits your project, customize it with your brand elements, and you're done in no time. Master Canva keyboard shortcuts. Want to speed up your design process even more? Get familiar with Canva's keyboard shortcuts. For example, pressing T adds a text box, and R adds a rectangle. These shortcuts might seem small, but they add up, saving you minutes on each design. Set up and use the brand kit. If you haven't set up your brand kit yet, now's the time. The brand kit feature lets you store your logo, brand colors, and fonts in one place. This makes it super easy to apply your brand's look to any design with just a click, ensuring consistency across all your projects and saving you loads of time. Batch your design tasks. One of the best ways to optimize your workflow is to batch your tasks. Instead of creating one design at a time, group similar tasks together. For instance, if you need to create social media posts, design a week's worth of content in one go. This approach helps you stay focused and keeps your creative momentum going. And there you have it, Genius Junkies. A few simple tips to help you work faster and smarter in Canva. Remember, the key to a smooth workflow is organization and efficiency. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. For more productivity and design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.